I'm Melinda Epler.
I'm Wayne Sutton. We're the founders of Change Catalyst. We empower inclusive and sustainable innovation globally.
Welcome to this series sponsored by Women Tech Makers, Google's initiative that provides visibility, community, and resources for women in technology. Together, we're helping tech hubs to develop more inclusive cultures, programs, and spaces.
To create an inclusive tech hub, the first step is to establish a baseline so you can understand the current state of diversity and inclusion of your group or organization. This requires creating a method for data collection, deploying it, and analyzing the results.
It's important to measure both diversity and inclusion. Data around diversity includes race, gender, ability, veteran status, sexual preference, and age. Data around inclusion includes retention, turnover, safety, comfort, belonging, support, and access.
Once you have this data, you can begin to establish some goals for creating change. Continuously measuring the changes in this data over time allows you to learn whether or not your inclusion efforts are working or not working. From the top down to the bottom up, everyone in your community must play an active role and be held accountable for inclusion.
Make sure you have a code of conduct or harassment policy clearly stated and easy to find. You'll also need to make sure you enforce this policy, which will make people feel safe.
Develop an annual strategic inclusion plan across the entire organization. Set goals and outcomes you hope to achieve and develop processes together to achieve them.
Each team and individual needs to establish their own stretch goals around inclusion.
Consider tying these goals to performance reviews to hold each person accountable.
Create an inclusive advisory group to continuously measure, advocate for, and maintain culture change around inclusion. This is a good way to enroll people in your group or organization that care about this work. As a tech hub, measure and publish your goals, being transparent about what is working and not working, and tell your ongoing story of change.
Measure what matters so you can change what matters. Join us as we go deeper into leadership, culture, external programs, and physical spaces of tech hubs in the next videos.
For more information about Women Tech Makers, Change Catalyst, and additional resources, see the links below. And share this series with your community. Let's work together to create inclusive tech hubs around the world.